Prosecutors and investigators are still building the case involving 4 teenage suspects charged with capital murder. They're accused of killing 41-year-old Michael Craven in Clay County.
All 4 remain in the Clay County Detention Center. Our Stephanie Poole speaks with an attorney about how bond is determined for minors. She joins us live in the studio with more. Stephanie?
That's right. For juvenile cases, a judge will not only review the type of charge, they will also review any other criminal offenses the suspect may have been involved with. 4 West Point teens are facing capital murder charges in connection to a homicide on March 11th. 41-year-old Michael Craven was found lying in a ditch near the Pine Grove Road intersection with gunshot wounds. He later died in the hospital. On Wednesday, Clay County Sheriff Eddie Scott told WCBI no bond is set for 19-year-old Emerson Stone Houston, 17-year-old Austin Hill, and 17-year-old Grayson Klutz. 15-year-old Jeremy Klutz Jr. has a $75,000 bond and will be required to wear an ankle monitor.
Our investigators basically worked around the clock, and it was a lot of hard investigation, but we was able to bring this thing to a closure. We did receive some good tips, some good information from the community. And we always say as law enforcement, it's just that one little thing, it may not seem like much, but a lot of times that'll help make a case.
All 4 are being charged as adults. We asked attorney Jeff Hosford of Hosford Law Firm what goes into charging minors as adults and what judges consider when they set bond.
Anyone over the age of 13 that commits an offense that carries life or possible imprisonment for life or the death penalty is eligible to be charged as an adult. The severity of the charge is one of the main factors, and this being the most severe charge may limit their ability to bond at all. That's up to a court, and that's up to the motions filed by the lawyers and the prosecutors, and they go from there.
Hosford says the court must determine if the defendant is a threat to the community and review other isolated incidents.
Whether this is something that could be continuing to go and lead to other charges. And then the common denominator of anybody charged with a crime. Are they from the area? Is there contacts in the area? Is there people that will ensure that they show up to court?
In October of 2021, 17-year-old Austin Hill was charged with attempted murder for stabbing another person. Hosford says that investigation and charges will not be included in the trial.
The United States Supreme Court has said anyone 15 or younger cannot face the death penalty. But anyone over the age of 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and above could definitely face the death penalty. Another thing that people don't realize is when you're charged with these crimes, there's certain things you have to go through in order for the state to prosecute you.
Hill, Houston, and Grayson Klutz will be in court for a preliminary hearing on May 19th.